Hello everyone, welcome to English Kaksha. In today's class we will learn about determiners. In this video I have explained each and every type in an easy way. I hope you will like the video. Let's start with the definition. Determiners are the words that determine the meaning of the nouns before which they are used. It means determiners are the words that express the meaning of the noun before which they are used. Okay? Now let's see, we are having 5 kinds of determiners named as articles, demonstratives, possessives, indefinite and other determiners. But today we will do only articles, and it we are having 3 words a, an and the. But here I am telling you where we are using a or an first. A or an are also known as indefinite articles. When we are using these indefinite article, these are used with the singular countable noun. It is not used with the plural uncountable or an abstract noun. You all have read that what are countable nouns, what are plural nouns, what are singular noun, what are abstract noun in your 6th class also, right? So now see, a is used before the nouns that are beginning with a consonant sound. What is a consonant sound? Let me show you. When we are writing like a book, a car, here B is a consonant sound. A car, here C is a consonant sound. This is not a vowel sound, right? In the same way, when we are using an, it is used with the vowel, it is used with the noun that is beginning with a vowel sound. We are having 5 vowel words that are a, e, I, o and u. But when we pronounce them as a vowel sound, they are pronounced as o, e, a, o and u. Here you can see I have written different examples. These are of consonant sound: a book, a car, a man, a woman. In the same way, at the second point I have written the vowel sounds like an armchair, an eagle, an ink pot, an owl, an umbrella. In the third point, I am going to explain some cases where H is silent. We are using R, not our. Honest, not honest, because H is silent here. But with these words we are using an. It means these are, it is pronouncing as ow, right? So it will be counted as vowel sound. Honest, it is giving you the sound of o. That's why it is also counted as vowel sound. So with these words, here H is silent but giving the sound of the vowel sound. So there we will also use an, right? But the words that are started with the vowel, words, but not giving the vowel sound. Listen me carefully. The words that are started with the vowel word but not giving the vowel sound, like university, European, 1 rupee, right? These are like U, E and O are given in the vowel words but not giving the vowel sound. We need vowel sound to use and with that, right? So in this case, with university we will use a, with European we will use a, with 1 rupee note, with one-eyed man we will use a. Now see where we are not using or an. First, before plural nouns like boys, teachers, chairs or other words can also be given there. With these also we are not using or an. Before uncountable noun like water, milk, air, juice, etc. we will not use article a or an. Before proper names like Manas, India, Diwali, etc. or other names can also be given there. With that also we are not using any article. Before the name of the metals, gold, silver, etc. Before a noun preceded by the phrase like kind of. Listen it very carefully. Like here I have written one sentence for you. What kind of man is he? Kind of. This is the phrase. With this phrase we will not use a. If we will write this sentence like what kind of a man is he, this is wrong. What is the right answer? What kind of man is he? Got it? Now in next point, see, when a noun denotes a rank, occupation or station, etc. For example, Lala Lajpat Rai Lion of India. It means Lala Lajpat Roy, known as Lion of India. Lala Lajpat Roy was given the designation or the rank of Lion of India. So with this also we will not use the or an. It will written in the same way. In the second example, Indira Gandhi, the Iron Lady of the world. It means Indira Gandhi, who was known as the Iron Lady of the world. Right? So here also we are not using a or an. Okay? Now see where we will use article the. A or an are known as indefinite articles and the definite article is the. It will be used with the names of the rivers, canals, seas, islands, mountains, deserts, regions, plural names of the countries like the USA or the UK. Right? With these we are using the. Before the unique things such as the earth, the sun and the moon. With the sacred books, newspapers or magazines we are using the. With the superlative degree or the ordinal numbers. Ordinal or cardinal, two numbers are there, but with the ordinal numbers that are always written as the first day, the fifth bench. With that we are using the. Before the surname of the family we will also use the or. And before the parallel comparatives like the higher you go, the cooler it is. This is very common sentence that is given in the BBCs and you have seen this sentence or done this sentence in 7th class also, right? So it means when parallel, comparative or comparison is given, there we will also use article the. Now see where we are not using the. We have seen where we are using a or an, but now we will see where we are not using the. The is not used before proper noun like Ramesh or Mumbai, with the abstract nouns like honesty or poverty. With the material noun also we are not using the. It is not used with the names of the meals. Lunch or dinner, they are usually written as lunch and dinner, not the lunch, the dinner. Before the names of the parts of the body or the clothing, like put it in your mouth, not put it in your the mouth. He was in the red shirt. This is wrong sentence. What is the correct? He was in red shirt. Right? It is not used with the names of the before the names of the languages like Hindi or chemistry. We will not write here like the Hindi, the English, the chemistry. Okay? It will be written as Hindi or chemistry. Not before the words denoting relations like father, mother, etc. And last point is the not. It is not used before such sports like cricket, tennis or football. Not the cricket, the tennis, the football. They will be written as cricket, tennis and football.